Hi everybody. This project what I do is oscillator. I want to do the oscillator at 2 megahertz. As you see, this is the circuit in LT-Spice programs. If you want to doing run, and we want to measure here at the output. That's what we have get. The oscillation, sinusoidal oscillation, 2 volt, 2.1 volt, peak to peak, 4.2. Okay, we want to know the frequency. Few, felt, okay. This is in VDB. We want to convert to the linears. This is what we get at 2 megahertz. Okay, I already bespiced the circuit in the breadboard, and I will doing in the evaluation board. This is the circuit. This is the inductor, 13.9 micro, and this is the transistor. This is the whole circuit what you see. We get, if you want to measure the frequency output, we get the sinusoidal at 1.857 megahertz. The next step what we will do is to soldering the component to this board. Okay, good luck.